Welcome to Learnglish. Do you ever get confused when to use like and when to use as? Look at these examples. What's the difference between these two sentences? If you don't know the answer, keep watching, you're gonna find out. Like compares two things or shows similarity. It is followed by a noun or pronoun. He spoke to me like a friend. As indicates the role or function of something. It's followed by a clause, a subject and a verb, or a noun and a verb. He spoke to me as a friend. Now let's try. 1. She works an engineer. Here it means she works in the role of an engineer, so the correct answer is as. 2. She swims a dolphin in the ocean. Here it means she swims similar to a dolphin, so the correct answer is like. 3. Your boss warned you to be careful. You tell me which one to use, like or as. And please subscribe for more content.